3, 2, 1.
Can you introduce the prototype we made?
Okay, of course. Let's start with our case study is PillTime. PillTime is the company who delivers medicine to the customer, and the customer in this meaning is like all of the citizens in the UK. So let's start with this one. This one is like a PillTime factory. That is in this factory, that include many sectors like the UK government, NHS, or like manager, or like this one also include in the PillTime project. It's called like the warehouse of magazine. So let's start with our case study. When all of the customer they send the prescription to the company, and then the PillTime the service gonna receive the prescription online, and then they're gonna send like kind of the little chicken is represent the deliver to this customer house. You can see, let's start with this customer house. This one represent like maybe like all of the customer in the UK, they live in Brighton, London, Oxford, and let's say York. So we're gonna receive, first of all, we're gonna receive the prescription, and then we're gonna send all the PillTime, right, the right time, right dose, and on time to the each customer house to serve to the customer needs. And another thing would like to improve our service. So we create the new system, like let's say that we're gonna create every branch in maybe like we're gonna create every branch into like many places in the UK to can serve all the service people around the United Kingdom. We would like to develop our project not only for UK citizens but also like all of the European citizens to improve our product. Let's say we like represent like France, Germans, and all of the European countries. And this one is look like a T, isn't it? But actually we like try to represent the kind of like technology system or wireless system to improve, because all of the PillTime is like an online system. So this is like the key factor to improve all the service. And the last one, this one, it looks scary, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this one is kind of the enemy of our service. Is we call it a time, because some feedback from now the case, some feedback of case study is about like maybe the medicine doesn't arrive on time, so we have to concern this one. It might be the big problem that we would like to improve. So that's it. Thank you for listening.